Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Quest 3 is updated, and your Meta account has developer mode enabled. Once done, connect the headset to your PC or phone with a quality USB-C cable and accept the debugging prompt in headset. Make sure Oculus Link or AirLink drivers are installed on your computer and that you have the latest Unity or Unreal Engine installed. This gets you into a state where you can push builds and access mixed reality runtime features immediately. Next, you configure the development stack. Install Unity or Unreal with the OpenXR plugin and import the Mixed Reality Toolkit or XR Interaction Toolkit. Once imported, enable the Pass-Through API and set safe camera boundaries so virtual objects align with real-world surfaces. Create a simple test scene, add spatial anchors and hand or controller input profiles, and set quality settings for performance. Then build a development APK and sideload it to the Quest 3 to verify tracking, pass-through alignment, and interaction behavior in the real environment. Finally, you prepare the production build. Strip debug symbols, compress textures, and target a stable frame rate to reduce latency. Once deployed to Quest 3, test the mixed reality experience across varied lighting and real-world geometry, tuning pass-through opacity and occlusion layers for clarity. Make sure headset fit and IPD are correct for user comfort. If something breaks, review a DB logs for errors, reboot the headset, then re-enable developer mode. This common troubleshooting step resolves most connection or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.